Hello friends, I am Akhil Srivastava teaching you Maths of Class 10th NCERT, Chapter 4 Quadratic Equation. Previous lecture I have explained about the completing square method, middle term method and all. With the help of completing square method, you will get a quadratic formula. Now we will see the quadratic formula. What is the quadratic formula? It is very important. First of all, you see what is the quadratic formula. Quadratic formula, which is also known as Sridharacharya formula. What is the name? Sridharacharya formula. Quadratic formula, or you can say that Sridharacharya formula. So quadratic formula, you see, if a standard equation ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0 given, it is a standard equation ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0 given, then its roots are equal to, then a, b and c are the constant values, where real values. You will find out the roots by a formula which is called minus b plus minus under root b square minus 4ac upon 2a. This is called Sridharacharya formula, in which discriminant which is known as d is equal to b square minus 4ac. D is called the discriminant, where d is called the discriminant. Discriminant under root b square. So b square minus 4ac is called discriminant. With the help of this, you can check whether the given equation has three type of root. By this you can check. What you can check? Without solving you can check with the help of d. If d is greater or equal to 0, first case, then it has real roots. Then you will get the real value. If discriminant is greater or equal to 0, then it has real roots. Only based on, it is a called quadratic formula. Plus minus, I have told you in the previous lecture, one sign with plus, one answer with a minus, means there will be two roots of x, which is called alpha and beta. If d is greater than or equal to 0, then it has real roots. It has a two part. One part is called if d is greater than 0. Then, because there is a two sign is not possible. It will be greater or it will be equal. Then it is equal to, then it has two distinct real roots. What is called? Distinct real roots. Distinct means separate, two different real roots. And roots will be calculated by minus b plus minus under root b square minus 4ac upon 2a. Or you can say, so alpha and beta, there is a two root, alpha and beta. Alpha will be minus b plus and beta will be minus b minus, all the two times, which indicates any one. Plus you can take alpha is equal to minus b plus under root b square minus 4ac by 2a, and beta is equal to minus b plus minus b minus under root b square minus 4ac upon 2a. There is a two distinct, separate. If it is 1 like 5 by 2, 3, any answer you can get. And this you have already calculated, no need to write this, direct value you will write. So if d is greater than 0, by checking only, by some calculating this only, you can get what answer is possible for this solution. Very simple. Second part B. Suppose d is equal to 0. D is equal to 0. Then what? This part will be 0. This part will be 0. 0 under root 0 will be 0. Then equation, then it has repeated are equal roots. Repeated are, then it has repeated are equal roots. So alpha is equal to beta is equal to minus b by 2a. It is your answer. First case you calculate by this, second case you calculate by this. Very simply, discriminant is this and third case. What is the second case? Not third. Second case, if d is less than 0 means negative, then it has no real roots. It has no real roots. Then your solution will be over. Like in previous examples I have told, there was minus sign you have got. Then it has no real roots. Three things. Standard equation, it is called quadratic formula based on constant. You calculate the discriminant, and discriminant will give you the first part if d is greater or equal to 0. Second part, d is less than 0. First part have two signs and two part a and b. There is a real root, but this real root will be 2 or 1. So here 2, if it is greater than 0, it means some value you will get, and then there is a 2 answer you are getting. If there is a 0, then this part will be 0, only minus b and 2a left. So both the roots will be same, minus b by 2a. Repeated are equal roots. The three options. It is called quadratic formula. This quadratic formula derivation is also there. How will you get? How will derive this formula? From where you are getting? From where you are getting this Sridharacharya formula? And then you will see the examples. There is a very common. It is derived by the standard equation. Derivation of this. Derivation of this formula. Derivation. What is the derivation? It is based on ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0 by completing square. By the completing square method, you will derive this. What is? You want perfect square, so divide. Divide by a. I am dividing this whole equation by a. So x square plus b by ax plus c by a is equal to 0. From the completing square, we get the Sridharacharya formula. What is this? That you see. Value of x, which is called alpha and beta. Now, these two you find the complete the square. It is a square plus 2 into a. What will you write? B, then your result is b by ax. What will you write here? Then you want b by ax. So 2 you don't want. So b upon 2a plus b by 2a whole square. Now you are completing a square plus 2ab plus b square minus b by 2a plus c by a is equal to 0. This I have told you. What are you adding? Same you subtract. This gives you x plus b by 2a whole square is equal to b square by 2 to the 4a minus c by a. This transposing that side. Take the LCM. 4a is the LCM. 4a square. 4a square is the LCM because here b square upon 4a square. You are getting. So b square minus 4 a and a cancel a and then c. It is the, you are getting right side by taking LCM. Now, because it will be not solved, so x plus b by 2a is equal to square root of b square minus 4ac by 4a square. What will you get? Plus minus under root b square minus 4ac divided by 2a. You will get this or not? Now see, it is a x plus b by 2a. By completing square method, transpose that side. So you will get x is equal to minus b by 2a plus minus under root b square minus 4ac whole upon 2a. Both have same denominator. So x is equal to minus b, denominator is 2a plus minus under root b square minus 4ac and this I have told you, it is called two roots if it has two names, alpha minus b plus under root b square minus 4ac upon 2a, and beta is equal to minus b minus under root b square minus 4ac upon 2a. I have told you in the first condition of discriminant. So this is called your Sridharacharya formula. Minus b plus minus under root, it has no any value. Value of x is called the zeros or roots. There always the quadratic have two zeros, which you will get by this Sridharacharya or quadratic formula. In the quadratic formula, all the questions, it is real or no real, you can get. But by discriminant you can check. By completing square also you can check. It is a very common and very easy formula. Now, simply only you are deriving a formula from the, by help of completing square, you are derived the formula here, getting the quadratic formula, and now you will finish this, and in the next lecture I will tell you the some examples based on the three. Both the exercises you can finish by this. You will see how will you solve by this formula. Thanks for today.